Hello ASVAB warriors, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to find the slope of a line using two coordinate points, and we are going to use a formula in that. In the last video, we learned about how to use the rise over run terms into it and find it using the Cartesian plane. Now what if the Cartesian plane is not given? There are only 2 points given like this. So the question says, find the slope of the line connecting the points 1, 2, and 4, 5. So we have to find the slope of the line connecting these 2 points. So what will I do now? First, I'll name this as A, this as B. Next thing, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. What did we learn in the previous video? Slope is nothing but rise over run. And rise over run means what? We actually found out the difference between the y coordinates divided by the difference between the x coordinates. So I will write it delta y over delta x. Delta y means difference in y coordinate. Delta x means difference in x coordinate. So what will I write it as? y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So let us just substitute the values and get our answer. So what do we have? y2 is 5, y1 is 2, x2 is 4, x1 is nothing but 1. So what do I get? 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is very difficult. 1. So, I hope you understood this formula like easy peasy lemon squeezy way. I'm going to solve few more questions and then I'll be giving you 2 questions to solve. Okay, so I'll be solving 3 more questions with different sign conventions. So let's say I'm going to take a point which has, let's say 5, 2 is the first point, and the next is nothing but 3, negative 2. So I'm just taking one negative number so that we guys get our concept cleared in a more better way. So what do I do now? So first thing that I'm going to do is I will name this as x1, y1, x2, y2. What did we learn? Slope is nothing but rise over run, which also means the difference in y-axis or y coordinate over the difference in the x coordinate, which is nothing but y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we are just going to correlate slope equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let us just directly substitute the values. y2 is negative 2 minus y1 is 2, x2 is 3, x1 is nothing but 5. So what do I get? Negative 2 minus 2 will be negative 4. 3 minus 5 is nothing but negative 2. So if we divide the numerator and denominator by negative 2, what would we get? 2 over 1, which is nothing but 2 also. Now, I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next question. So let's say guys, I'm going to take 2 negative numbers in the first point, and then I'm going to take one positive number and another negative number in the next point. Okay? So let me just guess it. Yeah. Negative 7, negative 5, and let's take 3, negative 2. Okay, first step, whenever they say find the slope of the line connecting these 2 points, what will we do? Name this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope is nothing but difference in y coordinate over difference in x coordinate, which is nothing but y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so what is y2? Negative 2. What is y1? Minus 5 or negative 5. So minus negative 5 over. What is x2? 3. Minus. What is x1? Negative 7. So negative 2 minus negative 5, which will become negative 2 plus 5. 3 minus negative 7. So two negatives are there. So what will I do? I'll make it positive. So negative 2 plus 5 is nothing but 3. 3 plus 7 is nothing but 10. Therefore, the slope is nothing but 3 over 10. Now, if you understood this, we will be moving on to the next question. So, next question, we are going to take all the negative numbers now. I want you to understand this concept clearly in one video only. So, let me take negative 9 comma negative 3, negative 7 comma negative 8. So all negative numbers now. Oh my god, what do we do? Just follow the steps. x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what is y2? y2 is negative 8 minus. What is y1? Minus 3. What is x2? Negative 7 minus. What is x1? Negative 9. So if you can see guys, negative it will become positive. So what do we get? Negative 8 plus 3, negative 7 plus 9. So negative 8 plus 3 is what? Negative 5. Negative 7 plus 9 is how much? Positive 2. So what do you get as the answer? Negative 5 over 2. What does that signify? If the slope is negative, the line is going to be like this. Basically, it is going to have more than 90 degree inclination with the horizontal line. Okay, now I am going to give you guys two questions to solve. And if you get the answer, please write it down in the comment box. So, I want you to find the slope between these 2 points. Point A is nothing but 5, 9 and point B is nothing but 9, negative 4. This is question number 1. Question number 2. Point X is nothing but negative 3, negative 7 and point Y is nothing but 4, negative 7. Okay, so this is going to be an interesting question. So, without hesitating, please try to solve the question right now and send me the answer in the comment box. Okay, so this is your coach Vivek signing off from this video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any doubts, please ask it to me in the comment box. Thank you so much.